got another package from the Coach outlet. Actually, I already received this package like 2 days ago, but I've been busy renovating our house. So here is the box and we are gonna do it today. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen. So my channel is all about fashion, mostly bags, travels, and just random vlogs. If you guys are into this type of video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys will always get notified every time I post a new video. So let's get started. Excuse my face, just look at the product that we're gonna review for today. So anyway, I bought some few items from this brand and I went a little bored. So here are the items that we're gonna unbox today. So I have three boxes right here. So I got all of these items from the Coach outlet and I really love this one because I really got it for a really good price, and at the same time I also got these items with their own perspective boxes. So if you guys are looking for something for a gift and everything, this one is actually good. At least you don't have to pay extra just for the boxes because these items already came with one. So this is the first box that we are going to unbox, and this is what it looks like when it came. Sorry about the reflection. So this is a wallet, a mini wallet on chain. I love it because this one is well wrapped, and again, like I mentioned earlier in the video, this is also a great gift if you're looking for something that's already in a box. So here is the close-up of our mini wallet on chain. So this one is in monoprint with silver hardware. I also got this one in white color, and this is what it looks like on the side. This one came with removable chain strap and also came with cute little C bag charm. And then at the back of this one, it does have one slip compartment right here, and then at the bottom it's just look like this. So for this one, for this chain, it does have some weight on it, but which is actually nice because when you wear them, it's not that heavy on you, but all I can say is this one is a good quality chain. So on the inside of this wallet, this is what it looks like. It does have that beautiful taupe leather lining, and this is what it looks like on the inside. It does have one big compartment here and two card slots. So this one is actually a good one, especially if you guys don't want to carry this. You guys don't carry that much. I highly recommend this one for teenagers because they don't carry that much. They only carry their ID and their debit card, and they also can put some lip balm in here as well. So this one reminds me of the Fendi Nano as well. I'm gonna put a picture up here so you guys know what I'm talking about, and I guess this one is an inspiration from that one. So if you guys are looking for more affordable price, this Coach right here is a great alternative for that particular item. So the next item that we're gonna unbox is this medium size box, and this one has my Nolita 15. As you guys already know, I'm a big fan of Nolita 15, and this one kind of reminds me of the mini poche from Louis Vuitton. And if you guys are looking for a more budget friendly, I highly recommend this one. Here she is. I already set her up, and this is what she looks like. I also again got this one in the chalk color. I also have it on the monoprint with the silver hardware. What I really loved with this one is first of all is the color, because I really love colors. And this one came with two charms as well in here. This one is, I really got it for a really good price, because I remember when I bought my first Nolita 15, the price is kind of almost the same as this one. The only difference is this one came with its own box and with the charm, because I'm not sure how much would it cost for a charm, but for the price that I paid for this one, this is actually a great deal. So for me, it's a steal. This is my last box, and also this is the biggest of them all as well. So this is what I've got, and this is what it looks like. So this one is, I really got it for a really good price. Again, it's because this one came with two items. It does have this bag right here, and also it came with a card wallet as well. Okay, so let's start with the card wallet first. So this is my first card wallet from this brand. I never had a card wallet from them before, so I got this one in glacier white color, and then I do have the monoprint with the silver stamp of Coach in here. I really like it because it's very subtle. You can even barely see the name and the print and everything unless you look at it closely like this. So if I'm gonna put it right here, at first you won't even know that it's gonna be from Coach unless you know the brand. And what I really loved on this one is the inner lining or the interior color. So it does have that Coach name in there. It does have this smooth taupe color leather. I'm not sure if that's the right color that I'm mentioning. So it does have two card slots on each side and one card slot in the middle. Okay, so this is going to be the last item that I'm going to share with you guys. So this guy right here came with this little guy right here. So if you guys notice, most of the items that I've shown you guys today is pretty much in different style, but there are the same in hardware color and of course the overall color of the bag. Anyway, so this is another wallet on chain, and this is what it looks like in the front, and this is what it looks like at the back. At the back, it does have one back pocket right here, and it does have that beautiful kind of taupe fabric lining, and this is what it looks like at the bottom. And this one, it came with adjustable and removable strap as well. So on the inside of this bag, this is what it looks like. So this is a snap button, not a magnetic closure. I really love the Coach name right here, the Coach stamp. You can barely see it because it kind of blends in with the color of the bag. It doesn't have the silver foil stamp or the gold foil stamp. So anyway, this is what it looks like. This one also came with a zipper front pocket right here. Again, it does have that beautiful taupe fabric lining, and then on the flap, this is smooth leather lining. And so if you guys have a loose change or a cash or something very important, you guys can put it right here to kind of secure it because it does have the zipper closure. And then it does have one big compartment right here and 8 card slots. Again, there's another extra bill compartment at the back. So the next question is my Samsung S24 Ultra going to fit in here? So as you guys can see in here, I am using a very thick case right now. So let's see if it's going to fit. And it does fit. That's awesome. So this is what it looks like, but as you guys can see at the bottom right here, it does have a very small width, and pretty much my phone already took up all that space. So if you can, I think you guys can still put some lip balms in here and everything, but you just have to hold on to your phone and not put it inside. You can also put your car keys in here as well, again, without putting your phones in here. And my only cons that I see with this one, even if I haven't used it yet, is the closure. Again, this is a snap closure and not a magnetic closure. It's just that opening and closing this bag, it's gonna cause some strain on the leather right here over time just by doing that. So the other thing is the strap. So actually this one is an easy fix. I feel like if this one came with the silver chain strap, I think it's gonna complement it more compared to the leather. Well, it's just that it is just my opinion, okay? Each to their own, but that is just me. So probably I am just going to remove this chain from this mini wallet right here, and let's see what it's gonna look like if I put it on this wallet on chain right here. So what do you guys think? Which one is better? For me, I feel the chain is way much better than the leather. But again, that is just my opinion. But do let me know in the comments down below which do you guys think is much better. Is it the leather strap or the chains strap? I think that should be it for today, guys. So what do you guys think about the styles that I've showed you guys so far? Do you guys love it? Do you guys hate it? Coach Outlet is one of my favorite brand right now. I really love the selection, the styles, and of course the prices. And I'll see you guys again next time. Bye.